All right, Cameron. Well, I tell you what, let's roll here. Live session English 9 for February 13th. So, Cameron, my first question to you is, did you have a chance, have you looked by chance at this slide here on the updates? Did you check that out? Were you able to see those videos? Cool. Well, it sounds like it's new to you then. So, here's here's what we have going on. I'm kind of trying out an experiment this week, and here is the experiment. Instead of having kind of like one longer instructional video in the live session, my thought is, what if I kind of had a few shorter pre-recorded videos that would be right here on the updates page, and then this time for the live session could become kind of more of an interactive time where you can ask me any questions that you have, and I can help you through things and that kind of stuff. So a few things to look at here. Right here, this is kind of a video that sort of explains the system. So maybe after the live session, or even on your own here, after I stop talking in a few minutes, you could check that out and see what you think of it. And then also, if you use this slideshow, if you click on these arrows, you'll go to another slide. Hey, Darian, welcome. Great to have you along. I'm glad that you are here. So actually, Cameron, bear with me for just a sec. I'll go over this with Darian as well. Darian, did you by chance, have you looked at this new update slide kind of on our updates page? Is that something you've had a chance to look at? Cool, kind of. All right, so I sort of explained to Cameron of kind of what I'm thinking here, and this is kind of an experiment, and I want to know what you guys think of it. I want to know what your feedback is, and actually, if you scroll down on the updates page, this right here, this is kind of a poll really about this system. I want to know what you think about this option. So basically, under this system that we're kind of trying out, there'll be a few videos that are available ahead of time. So there's one here. This is kind of an overview of the week. There's some notes here about what's important about the week. Getting in touch with me, sending me a message if you turn in late work. The survey that I just mentioned right there. And then we say, okay, videos on the next slide. If you click on this arrow, that'll take you to subsequent slides in this slideshow. There's some info on conferences. Here's some of the old updates and videos that are available as well. And if we go back to the second one, what I've done here is we have the recommended timeline, kind of like you've seen before. Wednesday, Thursday do this, next Tuesday do this. And then with each of these, there is a short video specific to that assignment. So if you're looking at, okay, learning about craft and voice, well, here's a video about it. Learning about definition of a Yankee, well, here is a video about it. So, well, kind of, yeah, Darian, that's a good point. So my thought is sort of that these shorter videos would, instead of having one longer recording or instruction time in the Wednesday live session, we now have a few shorter videos that students can kind of watch in pieces. And then this time, right now, on Wednesday afternoons, this kind of becomes a live online work period where you guys can show up and ask me questions. And hopefully you've already watched these videos, and then I can, answer your questions right there. So that's kind of, in a nutshell, what I'm thinking about trying out. What do you guys think about that? Just out of curiosity, your sort of initial impression. Do you have any thoughts either way, or does it seem like something worth trying? Cool. Well, I tell you what, guys. Like I said, this is an experiment. You know, I want to do whatever works best for students in the class. So I'm really curious on your thoughts, and you know, the my availability never goes away as far as what you get out of me, and you know, after you check out these videos, you know, kind of let me know what you think of it. So one thing I want to show you as you're doing these videos, obviously when you click play, it looks really small. What you need to do next then is hit this YouTube link so that it pops open into its own window. Okay, I'll show you that again. So if you hit play on this teeny little video, it kind of starts playing there, and you know, it's too small to see. But then you want to hit this YouTube icon so that it pops up into its own window, and then it's big enough to see. So make sure you do that. And then the other piece that we have here is, in addition to having the you know, the timeline with information, I also linked the assignments here. Hey Maverick, welcome. Great to have you along, Maverick. It's good to see you here. So you can click on where it says start here, click on that link, and that'll take you to that specific assignment. So I'm hoping that that'll make navigation a little bit easier. So in a nutshell, if you were on this slide here, you could watch this video, you learn about the assignment, what you need to do, then click this start here, and it'll take you right to that page to do that work. Hey Kyle, welcome. Great to have you along. So really, guys, that's you know, those are kind of the main things that I wanted to mention here. We can look at real quick, sort of overview of the week, and I've done this same overview in one of those videos, so you can already see it there. But we've got here Unit 6, Session 2. Basically, the goal of this week is to continue really examining the writing genre of the definition essay. We looked at a few examples last week, and now we're looking at even more of them. So there's an assignment on voice here. On this slide, you'll look at one of a few different examples and then analyze the voice. You'll look at some types of argument in definition essays. Hello, Kyle. It's great to have you along. You will then look at an example called definition of a Yankee, and then at the end of this week, you will be selecting your own essay topic. You'll go to this choosing a topic slide. Remember that when you're choosing a topic, you want to make it a question. You know, if it's just as simple as what does such and such mean, that's fine. But present your topic as a question, and then on the next page, you're going to spend. That's just the page to submit your topic. Then after that, you're going to spend 20 minutes doing a draft 1, which is a thesis statement plus an outline or a web. Kyle, great question. No live session questions yet. And in fact, no live session questions today. And we've got a few, one good tool. If you want to make an online web, check out this. This is lucidchart.com. Try checking this out. This is a cool way to make kind of a concept map that you could potentially use to plan your essay if you think that is helpful. So let me pause for a minute here. What do you guys think? Questions, comments, thoughts? And those also who joined the live session late, so I think Kyle and Maverick, did you guys have a chance to look at this slideshow and the updates? Is that something that you've seen or you have any questions about? Cool. Kyle said he had seen it. Cool. Maverick, you saw it as well. So basically, guys, here in a nutshell, my thought on this is this is kind of an experiment. We'll see how it works. Is to put a few videos in the updates here. This is an overview video. If you use this arrow and go to the next page. These are the updates videos, so short videos specific to these assignments. You can check those out as well, and see if you think that's a good organizational system. So, guys, that's really all the sort of the new content that I have. My thought now is, if you think it's the best use of your time to go back, if you haven't seen these short videos related to the assignments in the curriculum, go watch those now. Or if you want to hang here and answer and ask some questions about these assignments or other ones, we can do that as well. So it's kind of up to you. If you feel like you're ready to roll out, you can roll out. But if you want to stick around and ask me some questions, I would love to do that with you as well. Cool. Cameron, sounds good, man. We'll see you later. Keep me posted, guys, on what you think of this system, okay? I want to do whatever works best for you, so keep me posted. Use that poll and let me know. Darian, we'll see you later. Thank you for your hard work. Thanks for being here, and put some comments on the updates page to let me know what you think of the system. Cool, Maverick, sounds good. Be sure to do the poll and let me know what you think of it right here. This is the feedback spot. Okay, see ya. Kyle, looks like you're typing something, so I'll wait for you to get that in. Ooh, good question. Technical aspects behind Blackboard Collaborate. Man, probably not as well as you do, Kyle. I mean, overall, no. I don't know much about it at all. What specifically are you interested in? I feel like I kind of, I know how to use the system a bit as a teacher, but I don't know, what it runs on or what kind of code or anything like that. Binary compilation, Kyle, I have no idea. But I tell you what, your definition essay, if you wanted to write a definition essay on binary compilation, I think that would be pretty interesting, and I'd be psyched to read it because I have no idea what it is. Give me your 5-second rundown of binary compilation. What does that mean?